Hello and welcome to a tutorial of how to get that V.A.T.S effect, or the V.A.T.S effect from Fallout games into your movies. Yep, using only iMovie and Photoshop, though instead of Photoshop I'll be using GIMP. So here's what I'm doing. I'm making a movie where this enemy comes up, I pull out my gun, and I zoom in a little bit. I get his stats, that point to his limbs, the numbers come up, and the place I want to shoot turned green. How do we do that? Well, actually, these segments here, they are not video clips, they are still images. And if we use our Photoshop alternative called GIMP, or GIMP, well, we can turn on that V.A.T.S effect. So if we open up a movie here, or no, not that one. Let's go to our list of movies here. So get the one I want. Let's get the movie I want here. Alright, now first thing we do is copy. Just copy this. Right? That's the image we want from our video file. Then we open up preview. Then we select new from clipboard. And you see we have a new image in preview. And we can save that. But I already have the image I want, so I'm not going to save that. Okay, so yes, let's just say I save that image as Corona V.A.T.S. Yep. Put this in GIMP or Photoshop. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to make a new layer by copying each limb. Alright, so how about let's do the arm. So I grab our lasso tool here. And I go around my arm here, all right. And once I get the entire arm, I can copy, paste, and create a new layer. I want to make a new layer, just for the just to make that segment that points to a limb. Yeah, so I'm going to hold down, actually I want to do it for the head first, then I'll do it for the arm. Alright, so I'm holding down shift and I'm left clicking just to get that box. Okay, then I go to size. Alright, now these V.A.T.S even show how much limb damage these guys have, so we're going to make that brush smaller. Yeah, in the brush tool. And now we have a green color. Alright. Okay, and we still have the green color selected. Now let's put in the percentage chance, 90%. And we can use our text editing to bold that and make this a little bigger. Okay, and if we want to move that around, just click our crosshair there, or yeah, we're selecting the entire layer and that crosshair. I know it's not a perfect box, but make the box. Okay, let's make a new layer. Just so we have something that points to the arm. All right. So let's, I'm just going to use the pencil here. Pencil, brush, whatever. All right, let's make a triangle. Okay, let's, yeah, it's like a triangle shape, kind of like that. You can probably use the lasso tool and, you know, to get this, and we just fill it in. And whatever, yeah, I'm gonna get that, you know, brush, green, or brush, pencil, yeah, whatever. Okay, now we got that green color again. All right, click, hold down shift. All right, then click again. See, you got that, you know, limb damage. And we'll add another text layer. All right, 80%, whatever. Okay, and let's increase that size a bit and bold it. Now, gotta highlight it just to be sure. And voila, we got 80%. Now you can add in more text layers. So if you want to say that's the arm, that's the... All right, now let's go back to our arm layer here. Now what are we going to do? Well, you know, you can do this in other ways, but I'm just gonna color my arm there green. Yep. Now you can use red, you can use blue. It's your video, whatever you want. Okay, well, you can use, let's see, you can use the paint bucket tool. Hopefully that works. I don't know why, but I have problems with the paint bucket tool. All right, so again, you copy the layer. You copy that layer, all right, and then you draw on that layer. Okay, you don't want to draw on that image itself. I know, it's a bit crude, but whoever it can get the job done. When I'm not being perfect here. Okay, now, that looks completely solid. So, let's go to our opacity tool right above the layers here. And bring that down to about, let's go with 50%. Okay, so that's when you go to File, Save As, or if you want to overwrite this image, or export as to get a photo. Yeah, I'm using on Mac. Yeah, I got an odd name. Okay, so that should get the job done. I already have my images saved, so then we open up iMovie, and you can drag all these. So you can drag, you know. So you can drag an image like this. You know, you get your bars and triangles, and then yeah, I know mine aren't perfect, but then you can drag them in. All right, so you drag them into iMovie. Yeah. So, and that now in order to zoom in, you go to this tool here, cropping. We use the Ken Burns effect to, you know, start wide, and then we go to the inner triangle that says end, and that's how the clip ends. Okay, and now this is a still image. That's our, you know, that brings up all our limbs and body. You know. Okay, and I have an image just for, you know, highlighting the body in V.A.T.S. Yeah, and now there's my green arm. And there's my green head. Now, and then there I am in another angle shooting myself. So what you need to know is that these are all still images. Just like in Fallout 3 and Fallout 4. Just like in Fallout 3 and Fallout New Vegas. In Fallout 4 and 76, yeah, the enemies move. So yeah, this is just a simple concept. It can be improved upon. So hopefully you learned something from this. Thanks for watching.